Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Crowded by 14 teams, the picture in the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League is now much clearer, as only 6 teams remain in contention, with the elimination process for another 2 to begin on Sunday at the National Stadium. Kicking off the proceedings at 5 p.m. will be the Portmore derby between Portmore United and Racing United. That game will be followed by the title holders Cavalier up against Waterhouse at 7:30.
What started out as a marathon is now down to a sprint, as 6 teams remain on track for the Wray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League title. But not all 6 will be there when the title is being decided. Mount Pleasant FA and Montego Bay United are already in the semi-finals, so the fight for the other 2 spots currently has the spotlight. First up are Portmore's finest, Portmore United and Racing United. Portmore United were at this stage last season before falling short.
We have to learn from our mistake last year, and most of the players are here same way, so we just have to go out there and execute and know that last season we didn't score our chances, and this season we have to put the ball in the back of the net if we want to win the game. And
this is new territory for Racing United, but one that they are prepared for.
Well, I must say it's a wonderful feeling, just to see they know that started from 2017, with this club, and to see the fruits, bearing to the tree bearing some fruits now. That's it's a great feeling and a wonderful feeling for the youngsters.
The 2 teams know each other well. They've shared the same home ground and have not beaten each other in 3 meetings this season.
When you go to a quarter-final or a semi-final, a knockout stage football, anything can happen, and you never know. Sometimes the players have the mindset that they already was in the top 6 in terms of racing, so maybe they switch off a bit, but you never know. Tomorrow is a different game from what happened throughout the season, because a knockout, and every team think they have a chance. So
they know a bit about us, and we know a bit about them, so it's got to be a cat and mouse game. Who defend the best and who finish the chances that they're going to create.
With 7 titles under their belts, Portmore United have the stories to motivate. Racing have one to learn.
Sometimes you tell them about these things, but at the same time they have to write their own history. So it's the opportunity for them to replicate what we have done in the past. So it's for them to just go out, relish the moment.
In Portmore is used to this, and our team, we have players that it's going to be majority of us. It's our first time here, so we're just going to enjoy the moment while playing hard. I mean, we are the one with the Cinderella story here.
It's a 2-way tie, but they know a good start is needed.
Everybody is focusing on one goal, is to win the Premier League. So this game is going to be not just a derby, but a very important game, this first leg.
If you look at the last 5 or 6 games, we took a different approach where we rest a lot of players during training and also during games. So that was the coach approach to rest us. So we have a rejuvenated team going into the playoff, and me myself, I feel very good. Mentally and physically going into this game tomorrow.
One thing for sure is that they are ready to play for each other.
What we're riding on is the team effort, and everyone pushing their weight and put the team first so we can get the victory.
It's a humbling feeling, very good for me and the club as well. It's something I've been pushing for. Last season was my first time in the JPL. So I know this season I had to make a statement.
In the second game, which kicks off at 7:30, Waterhouse will be seeking to dethrone the title holders Cavalier. In their 3 meetings this season, Cavalier are yet to record a win, as they've only managed a draw, with Waterhouse winning twice.